A big warm welcome to you. I am so excited to share this workshop presentation course. I'm not really sure what to call it, but I do for sure have a lot of information about how different our children are. I guess as a parent, we all want to have empowered, strong, like heart-led children that can know how to connect with themselves. And that all starts with us as the parents. So let's get started. So once again, welcome to this workshop presentation course, whatever you want to call it. It's called Empowered Children, Parenting with the Enneagram. In this course, we're going to go through all of the Enneagram types as children, how they appear, how you can recognize your child, and what you should do as a parent to meet your child and support it in the best possible way. Your teacher today is me. I am Marie, and I'm a type 7 in the Enneagram, and I am a projector 1-3 in human design. You don't have to know anything about human design or the Enneagram to be here today. I am going to give you all the information that you need. The past 10 years, I've worked on stepping into my authenticity by walking my talk. I think this is the most powerful work you can do. It's integrating all your knowledge. If you don't already know me, this is a big thing for me. It's not about knowing all the things. We already know a lot of things. It's about understanding them, applying them into our life, and make it work, do the change. And I'm a big talker in that topic. My purpose is to lead a life of possibilities. This is basically within my type 7, and this is what I hopefully managed to do with you today too. The Enneagram is my life tool. It's so simple and easy to use, yet recognizes the complexity of our individualness. I'm not sure if that's even a word, but that's just how I feel that it's coming to me. I'm Danish, so bear with me for my English. I hope you understand everything, and there might be a few words along the way that I just made up. I mainly work with understanding and navigating relationships, and I have a mission to inspire parents to create a safe space for children, for them to explore their own understanding of life without taking care of their triggered parents. We are living in a world today where our generation, are not very awakened. We're not very aware of our inner children. We're left a lot of times in our own childhood, in our adult body. So the work really comes with us expanding, us getting this knowledge, integrating it, getting all this applied into our everyday life so that we can create the freedom for our children to just explore and grow up without getting so lost as we might have been. I mean, who can relate to this? If you're a parent, I'm sure you have one or more of these. It's impatience. It's like, come on, you're so slow. You are having cat fights where you just observe yourself and you're like, oh my God, I'm going down that line again. Or I'm totally going down to the victim level with my kid and then hating myself in the moment for doing it, but feeling that I'm out of control to do anything. Or screen time, like, oh my God, I just need a break. Please take the iPad, go to the corner, just sit an hour. I just want to be myself. I don't want to talk anymore. I don't want to hear all this. I don't want anyone getting on to me, requiring me to do a lot of things. Big exhaustion, just being tired. I'm a single mom and my son is 7 now. I'm just tired. I've been so tired. I remember the first 4 years, it's just like I was just a walking zombie. I also felt very alone, and I'm sure that most parents can feel that as well. Maybe you have a partner, maybe you don't, but still feeling so alone in this. Sibling fights, if you have more, snapping, oh my God, even it observing myself going and just saying things, and I can hear that my tone is passive aggressive or I'm snapping or something. And that like awkward moment where it's like, Should I say something? Should I apologize? Should I come back? Oh, I'm also just tired, and the kid ran off, and time is just going by, and then there was no following up session. Or just feeling constantly behind. I got you. You're a parent. I'm a parent. This is not easy. I mean, parenting has by far been the most challenging thing I've done in my life. And being in a relationship with a tiny human is just the most important role we have. I'm so happy and I'm so glad that you are sitting here with me, because that means you have actually taken a huge step to try get some of these points down. You're not okay with it and you're ready to learn. And thank you. Thank you for that. And yes, we already know children need peace, children need connection, they need truth, and they need love. We already know all these things. I'm sure you have been, if not been on courses, then you have for sure heard about like what children need and how to put a structure and all these things. And yet it seems to not being possible. It just don't happen. It's like they don't understand your explanations. It's like you've got this great list of just do this and you just go ahead and it's not happening. It's like they're not understanding your explanations, or they don't respect or follow your guidance. It's like you're saying it in a nice calm tone and you're really trying to do your best, and then you just have a kid who just totally argues with you or talk back to you, and they don't want to take your advices. Won't accept your love or connection that you're trying so hard to. And let me tell you why. They're not you. So before you understand how their inner world function, you won't be able to fully feel peace, connection, truth, and love. We are all different. We are all different adults, but they are also different children. If you have more than one child, you already know how different your children are. And you probably already have an okay, good roadmap of, okay, this child needs a little bit more heads up and guidelines before, or they need like 5 minutes before we get out of the door, where the other one is more flexible. Okay, that one is more adventurous. You can just do surprises with that child. So these are all the details we'll get into today. So don't worry. No shame, no judgment, no blame. You're trying your best. And the fact that you are here shows that you will do anything to meet your high standards of creating this safe space for your child. And that is making my heart so happy. That's why I'm put here on earth. And now you are trying to move on to that step with me. So let's get into it.